Hello dear friends, welcome back to our Kesari Textile company guys. In today's video, it's one of my colleague. He is currently working as a Telugu anchor in our Kesari Textile company guys. Name of my colleague will be the Suraj. So Suraj, how is you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I am also fine guys. And now in today's video for our audience,
Okay.
what are the designs and what are the concepts we are looking?
So basically, right now we are as we are manufacturers. So from Kesari Textile Company. So
Yes.
we have good collections from related to marriage season and Pongal
Right.
season because we are awaited for the seasons, right? So
Okay.
that's the reason we manufacture a complete silk concept. In this video, we are going to present the complete silk sarees. So in very manufacturing prices, okay? So
Okay.
we stay tuned in this video. Don't skip the video. We're going to show the complete interesting concepts to you. So in different color charts and different catalog articles. Okay, stay tuned in this video. Can we good to start?
Yes, sir. Why not? First collections. See, I think this will be in a synthetic concepts in our KSI Textile company.
Okay.
I think Suraj, this will be very highly preferred in the
In South
Telugu
India.
region
Yeah,
also,
yeah, of
guys.
course,
I
of
think.
course. Basically, we South peoples always attract to silk concepts only. So
Okay.
everyone knows that we'll any occasions we'll go for marriages or we'll go for any kind of occasions. We used to wear complete silk concepts only.
Right,
So
right, right.
so that is the main focus of Kesari Textile is focusing on South basis work. So
Okay.
actually, these concepts are made for completely South Indian people.
And
So getting
is it established totally like the South concept or some having little bit
exactly
different?
as the South Indians want these concepts, so they made same as it is.
Okay, and as you know, we are having in our second selections.
Uh-huh.
In this selections, about 700 rupees we are having here.
Yes.
And totally, I see the price tag of 909.
Yeah.
Is it fair?
Of course, fair. See, why we are giving the manufacturing price actually.
Right, right.
So
right.
whatever we when we give to our customers,
Right, right.
so in retail counters, each they are selling into 16 to 1700.
Okay.
So very
Right, right,
close
right.
to high margin actually.
Right, right, right.
So we are giving in manufacturing price only.
Right, right, right.
Yeah.
Like many of the, apart from you are from the Hyderabad or the Telangana, in your native areas, many of the wholesalers or retailer shops are there.
Yeah.
They are purchasing from like Kesari Textile Company manufacturers,
Yeah.
or not from the Kesari Textile Company, but little bit as like as manufacturer from them they are purchasing their product. Okay, right. So as our colleague Surat said that these are the concepts, especially having at the range you can double the margin at the 1500, 700, 2000, 2500. That kind of the margin you can easily add and add your income, earn your income. And apart from that, next variety I'm showcasing you like some of the not a dark tone by guys, but little bit some of the English shaded light tone color sarees is also preferred in the south.
Yes,
I
yes.
think
Actually,
nowadays.
what happens as a South Indian tone color,
Yes, yes.
so we like prefer some shining colors.
Right, right.
So
right.
which is bright.
Right,
So
right.
actually, we are South Indians. We are like very tanny people, right?
Right, right, right.
So in that we need a complete like bright color sign with shining colors, which
Okay.
perfectly suits for our color skin tones.
Right, right, right.
So that's the reason they are manufacturing completely into South Indian.
Right, right. But rather than the dark tone, we are needed the shiny concepts. Either it will be having this kind of the light shaded two type color tones also.
Yes.
Right, right, right. And tell our customers, guys, Surat, that we not having only giving single pieces.
Yes, yes. As usually, we are the manufacturer, so we deal in the complete wholesale products, right? If you are looking this kind of article, so you have to purchase whole set. We are not dealing into one piece or one set. You have to like invest one small amount. You'll get to start any good kind of business, or if you are sitting at your home place, so you can start from there also. From the small amount like 60 to 70,000, you can start a good business from sitting your place.
Right, right, right. Next variety we are seeing here. See how beautiful it was.
So can you see this color? Like this is a perfect color combination.
Right, right, right.
So this is a proper South Indian taste. So getting
some of the beautiful design also very well designed. I think in the camera it's not looking whole
Actually,
particular
what we
color
are presenting,
design. Yeah.
actually camera is capturing or not, I don't know that, but
Yeah, yeah.
the saree is very pretty and very beautiful.
Very
So
beautiful.
once you visit the Curated Textile company, you will feel the what we are manufacturing.
Right.
Getting my point?
How beautifully toned and very beautifully glad.
Mm.
And the next concepts, one of the beautifully golden zeried expressional work concepts you will be getting here, guys. See. And guys, see how artically you will be getting, guys. See how artically you will be getting here with the beautifully zeried work on the both the edge of the side of the border. And Suraj, let me tell that many of the customers are there. They are having the little investments like the 30,000s or the 40,000s. On that which they are saying or they are thinking that we are going there. We are having just a 30 to 40,000 investment, but we are going in the transportation or the train or the aeroplane or and coming here and stay in hotel. Many of the, I think their investment part will be very less for them. What we providing online facility also.
So we are here to inform that thing. So you need not to bother to anything. So the thing is, from Curated Textile company, we are giving the pickup drop facility for the 24 hours. So if you are traveling in the late night, so we are providing the waiting room also for you guys. So if you are getting in the time period, if you are getting in late, so we have a close to railway station. There's the sample office. You can visit there and you can add your articles which you are liked, and we can continue shopping. If you have a good time, so why don't you visit the complete factory outlet shops? So you can complete A to Z outfits of ladies. So we have a complete 21 different articles. So A to Z articles are available in
Curated Textile. And otherwise, I'm saying that we are providing online facility also.
Yes.
On that online facility, I think many of the concepts that not having that much investment to come here and stay or having their transportation expenses by the train. The same product will be delivered in online also.
So as usual, if you liked any article in this video, so if you are taking a screenshot, you'll sending the whatever the number you'll getting on display. So if you send the screenshots, you'll get the complete PDF concepts. As you see in this video, which article you are sending the screenshots, will get the complete that product in at your place.
Okay.
As usual, without zero fraud issue.
Okay.
So you don't need to worry. So you can start your shopping from now onwards.
Right. So as my colleague Surat very well said that if you are interested, that's what the main. If you are interested, take the steps, start the screenshot and send to screen available number. They will give you n number of varieties and collections in the form of PDF with particular range also. And we provide you video call facility also. On that video call facility, like my colleague Surat said, whatever the product you selected, the same exact product will be delivered. There will be not having any kind of the misleading activities or the fraudulent activities, guys. Yeah, I know in Surat, you have your experiences in many of the another companies YouTube channel in their comment section, but in our comment section you will be noticing there will be not having any kind of the single bad comment, guys. Yeah, that's what the research you have to do, guys, about every company when you have the motive of purchasing. So guys, last but not the least, one of the beautiful article I want to show you. See, guys, that was the article. The name was the Madhu, guys. See how beautifully toned, and guys, like Suraj, see how beautifully in the color of yellow, which are highly preferred in the many of the occasions in our southern region. See how beautifully you'll be getting.
We can use for the Guru Pravesham kind of.
Yeah.
We can use many ceremonies.
Many things.
The yellow color is a evergreen article, you know.
In particular South.
Right.
So guys, and what will be the delivery process, guys?
So actually, if you are shortlisting any kind of articles,
Yes,
if you are paymenting in the day, so the delivery part will be take for the 2 days. In 2 days, they will once your delivery like your parcel get packed, so they will provide the complete information via video call through also.
Right. So guys, completely transparent system will be here in our Kesar Textile company. No need to get the more complicated things, guys. No need to do that. Just simple transparent system will be there. Call the screen available number and stop your thoughts running in your mind, guys, and take the actions and call the screen available number. No need to hesitate. Be free and frank and bold, guys. That's what I'm saying you. And thank you, Suraj. You are sharing your all the experiences to our customers and giving them your best advices. So, guys, thank you for this video.
Thank you so much for having me.
Participate us.
Yes.
So guys, see you in the next video. Please give your precious opinion, reviews or feedbacks in our comment section. Till then, see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया, सही दाम का नाम।